How to check your birthday on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to check your birthday on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it. And then to see your birthday or to check your birthday, what you're going to do is to click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then once you are here, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and then go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, under the Account section, choose the very first option, which is Manage Account. Once you're in Manage Account, you will be seeing the Account Information section. And then on the third option, there is the date of birth right there. So as you can see, you will be having your birth date found on the rightmost part. And then let's say, for example, that you want to change your birth date. So do take note of this one. So you may only change your date of birth once. So for example, your date of birth is not right, then you go and click on date of birth and then change your date of birth. So as you can see right here, you recently changed your date of birth and must wait a while before you can edit it again. So you may not be able to edit your your birth date if you have edited it recently. So that's it. That's how you can check your birthday on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.